Hello guys, you are highly welcome to another amazing tutorial on Nobuti Fashion channel. On this video I'll be showing you how to stitch this placket. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So you cut a collar stay and then you make it a 1.2. So that is a 1.2 for this collar stay, and then the material is a 4 inches. The length is a 15 inches. So that is the length of this collar stay, while the wideness of this material is a 4 inches, and then the length is also 16 inches. So the same thing to this other one, which is a 4 inches, and it should be 16 inches. So let me cut this excess that I have here, and the material we are using for the center, this is it, which is a 2 inches by 16 inches as well. And then you cut another gum stay. So this is a hard gum stay which we are using for the to gum the back of this material which we are using for the center. And you measure this one, this collar stay. Now you measure it, the 15 inches, so you divide it by 2, so that is a 7.5. 15 inches divided by 2, that is a 7.5. And then you measure 0.5 here at the side and mark 0.5 here also, and then you take a ruler to roll the center, to roll the line like this, roll it straight, and this other one roll it straight as well. And then on this other side you measure 0.5 also, measure 0.5, and then you roll it straight down as well. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, that is, if this is the first time you are checking on this channel, you are highly welcome to Nobuti Fashion channel. This is the channel that brings you the easiest, fastest and the simplest method on how to draft, cut or sew anything on a men's dress. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be able to enjoy a lot of videos, over 150 videos on this channel, and for you to also be able to be part of the Nobu family. So you measure 1 inch at this upper part like this, measure 1 inch here, measure 1 inch here, and roll it straight like this, mark it straight like that. And on this other side, like this, you mark 1 inch also and mark it straight down. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up also, so that a lot of people will be able to benefit from it, and they too will be able to learn from it as well. So that is one of the way in which you can as well help others to gain from this video, so that you too will be able to show this video to a lot of people. So you cut the down part like this to give it a V shape at the down part. So please make sure you watch the way I'm placing this collar stay carefully, so that you not put it on the wrong side. So when you are placing your own, so make sure you follow this direction. So the next thing to do now is to press it very well, but I think this iron is not that very hot, so I need to change the iron. So here it is now. So you also press the gum stay, and then once you are done with this, the next thing to do now is to fold the edge, and then you cut this angle. So you notch it like this. Make sure that the scissors you are using is very sharp, so that you not have a rough edge at this angle. And if you also have a rough edge, I have a way of eradicating that, so which I'll be showing you in the video later on. So you fold this edge like this, you fold this edge like this, and make sure you take your time to do this. So you fold it like this and make sure that it's very firm to the material. Press it very well, then you fold this line like this. Wow. So you fold it like this, and then you also fold this other one, that is at the bottom line like this. Make sure that it's very firm to the material, and then you do the same thing on the second side as well. You fold the side. Make sure you take your time to do this so that you achieve a very nice results at the end. Use cooler to cool it down, and then you can now bend this edge. Cool it down like this. Let it relax. You can see that. So this is the second one now. So the next thing to do is to cut all these excess at the back. Cut this excess, and then you take the main material, that is this material you are using for the center, and place this one on it. You place it like this also, and that is how we do the stitches. So let's go to the machine now and stitch it. You place it like this at the center, and then you stitch it straight down. Make sure that the stitches fall at the edge. Then you turn it. Make sure that your hand is very straight as well. And then this place is very important. Make sure you check the stitches of your machine, and then the stitches is very neat and then come out nice. So you place it, the second one on it, and there's one thing that's very important here. Make sure you check the place where the collar stay ended, and that is the same place where you need to place this other one also. So please make sure you check that, so that one will not be longer than each other. So you can see that collar stay now, and that is where I'm trying to figure out here. So you can see that this is where the collar stay ended, and that is the same place that I'm placing the other one also. So don't mind the edge. So you leave a little space of 0.2, and then you stitch it straight down like this, and then you can as well use a office pin to hold it, so that you'll be able to stitch it straight down if you can't do it, if you can't place it the way I'm placing it. And when you are doing this, make sure that the line is very straight, and then you follow it till the end. After you do this, the next thing to do is to proceed to the table, and then this is the way of eradicating any rough edge at this point. So you can use a lighter to sort that. And while you are doing this, make sure you are very careful. So you cut out the excess at the back here, then you cut it straight. Do the same thing on this other side. And once you are done with this, the next thing to do is to proceed to the table and do the ironing. So you press this place very well at the back. Press it from the back very well, and then you trim the excess at the back. So you turn it way around, and then you make sure you watch the side that I'm cutting. So you can see that the V shape is at the down part at my left side, while the straight shape, the upper part, is at my right side. So I make sure you watch the way you are going to cut it, so that you not cut a wrong side. And then if you are able to produce anything with this video, don't hesitate to send the result to me, maybe on the WhatsApp, or on the Telegram group. I'll be glad to see that. So you cut the hemming gum into two like this, and then you place it at the edge, and then you fold it like this. Fold the edge like this, and then you do that side as well. You fold the other side here also. Make sure that this folding is very firm to the collar stay. That is very, very important. So you can see that we are getting the result already. And then you fold this other side. So if you have been part of a Noble family before, that is, if you are one of the subscribers of this channel before, I'm very sure you'll have known how we prepare our plaquette, so without having any squeeze by the side. So that is the simplest, fastest method to prepare a plaquette, and which will give you a very good result. So at the back here, you measure 7.5 and then you cut it open and then you cut it straight down. I will give you a link to that video at the end of this video, so that is why I urge you to watch it to the end, or you check the link in the description box below. So you fold the edge like this. So that video is where you will learn how to fix this into the body. You place the hemming gum at this other edge as well, and then you press it very well. So this to make sure that we have a very firm edge of this collar, and then you fold it like this. Can trim out all these excess, and then to have a very nice folding at the edge here, and then you press it very well. You can see that this one relaxed very well now, and that is it. You can see this. So I'll be giving you another video where I'll be showing you how to fix it into the body. So let's see the results. You can see how nice it is. Please, if you derive value in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment for me. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button for you to be part of this noble family. Till the next time that I will be bringing you another tutorial like this again, I say thank you for watching, and then remain blessed. Bye for now.